Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Today, we will start the explanation of the first chapter, which is parts of the body. Now, as we had already discussed, that our body it is having many parts. Few parts are external, जो आपको बाहर दिखाई देता है, and few are internal body parts. So, external body parts, if we start from the head, then comes the face. In face, we will have the eyes, nose, ears, mouth. Then comes your neck. Then comes your body part, which are the hands, the stomach, the legs, and so on. And internal organs, it is the heart, lungs, kidneys, stomachs, etc. So in this we will see basically about the parts of the body which you are able to see, which are external. Now here is a diagram. Here the parts of the body is given along with few labelings, like forehead is written and few dash is given. So let us see what are the parts. Like here, first one, forehead. This is what? This is the head. So you're going to write head. Nose. This is ear. Hand. Then these are already written: elbow, wrist, neck, hip, thigh. This is the stomach. And this is the foot. Okay, now come to the explanation. Limbs. See in the diagram also, this part, it is the limbs. Hands, the whole of the hand and whole of the leg, they are known as the limbs. Okay, now first we will see about our hands. Each arm has two parts. From here to here it is one part, from here to here it is the other part. And both these parts are joined where? They are joined at the elbow. Alright. So hand is having two parts joined at the elbow. The arms are joined to the hands at the wrist. And this arm, this is one part of the arm, this is the second part. This part is joined where? It is joined, the lower part of the hand is joined at the wrist. Alright. And they are joined to the rest of our body at the shoulders, and whole of the hand is joined to our body where? At the shoulders. The whole of the hand is joined at the shoulder. कंधे पे हमारा हाथ पूरे body से जुड़ा हुआ है. Alright. So hand is having two parts. The upper hand is having two parts, the upper and the lower part joined at the elbow. The lower part of the hand is joined with the wrist to the palm, and whole of the hand is joined to the body at the shoulder. Okay, now come to the leg. Leg, like the hand, also has two parts, one part of the leg and the second part of the leg. Okay, and both the part are joined where? Here, knee, घुटने पे दोनों part पैर का जुड़ा हुआ है. The upper part of the leg is known as the thigh, and the whole of the leg is joined to the body at the hip. कमर में वो जुड़ा हुआ है. And each foot joins at the ankle. And जहाँ पे हम जूता पहनते हैं, as I said, that is the foot. And the foot is joined to the leg at the ankle. जहाँ आपकी मम्मी पायल पहनती है, that portion of the leg is known as the ankle. So whole of the leg and the foot is joined at the ankle, and ये पूरा leg हमारे शरीर से जुड़ा हुआ है कमर पे. It is joined at the hip. All right. Now, how we are able to move our body parts? We are moving our hands, we are moving our legs. How we are able to move? Because of the joints. Alright. So what is a joint? It is a part of the body where two or bones meet. जहाँ पे दो या फिर दो से ज़्यादा bones एक साथ जुड़ते हैं and वो body के movement में help कर रहा है, that is known as the joint. Okay. Now example of joint क्या क्या होगा? The knee, आपका घुटना. Ankle, जहाँ पे आपका foot पैर से जुड़ा हुआ है. The wrist, where you are wearing your watch. कलाई, उसको मूव कर सकते हो. Shoulders, कंधा. Neck, these are all joints. Okay. The head is joined to the rest of the body at the neck. आपका head, this is the head. ये पूरे बॉडी से कहाँ पे जॉइंट है, नेक पे जॉइंट है. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ जॉइंट. एंड आवर फिंगर्स, दैट इज ऑल्सो, दे आर ऑल्सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ जॉइंट. अगर फिंगर्स में जॉइंट नहीं होता, यू वुड नॉट बी एबल टू मूव योर फिंगर्स and we would not be able to do many work. Okay, so joint is very important for the movement of the body. Now when we are read about the hands, we said na that our fingers and the hand, they are joined to the rest of the arms with the help of the wrist. So this is the wrist. And देखो हमारे hands में there are different fingers, 5 fingers which are of different shapes and they are given different names. अंगूठा, thumb, थम के बाद वाला फिंगर दैट इज़ द फोर फिंगर, बीच वाला फिंगर मिडिल फिंगर, उसके बाद में जहाँ पे अंगूठी पहनते हो दैट इज़ द रिंग फिंगर, एंड सबसे छोटा फिंगर इज़ द लिटिल फिंगर, एंड आपका ये हथेली दैट इज़ नोन एज द पाम. ओके, एंड दिस थम, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. ये अंगूठा हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज इफ़ थम वुड नॉट बी देयर वी वुड नॉट बी एबल टू होल्ड थिंग्स. अंगूठे के कारण ही हम लोग चीज़ को पकड़ सकते हैं. आप पेंसिल पकड़ते हो, एक तरफ आपका फिंगर्स रहता है और दूसरी तरफ अंगूठा आता है, तभी आप पेन या पेंसिल पकड़ सकते हो. इफ़ थम वुड नॉट बी देयर वी वुड नॉट बी एबल टू होल्ड थिंग्स प्रॉपरली. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर बॉडी. So this is what we will do today, students. Have a nice day. Thank you.